Hi friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Angel. If you're new here, welcome. And if you're not new, welcome back. This is the set that I'm working on. Just a really pretty, simple set. Any beginner can do. I used a couple different colors of cat eye polishes and some matte top coat to give the really pretty shimmery, not even shimmery, velvety, because it's velvet cat eye, a velvet textured look here. I think it's really pretty, and I'm gonna show you how I did it. For products, really easy. I just used two different cat eye polishes. The first one I used is this Jillradia here, and I'll put the links down below. This was in a cat eye set that is absolutely gorgeous, and it's just this lusciously silvery kind of purple vibe going. And then I also used this Born Pretty, and this is blackish purple, and it's MY43, and it is literally stunning, gorgeous, deep, dark purple. I also used some black caviar beads, and this is a new product that I tried. There's the brand, Anna Nalu, and it's an embossing gel, and it's really pretty silver, as you can see there, and a top coat and some rhinestone glue, and that's it. I think that's all, and a regular top coat. So this is just going to be a watch me work kind of video, since it is pretty simple. The hardest part about this is getting your all 5 cat eyes to have the same effect, and I'll do the first one pretty slow. I do put 2 coats on here of the cat eye polish, and you just want to bring the shine up to the top, so we're going to go all the way around the nail a couple times just to make sure that it is all the same. That's the key. Make your all 5 all the same. That's the hardest part about this. Okay, so I'm just going to get started, and this isn't too fast of a set. And I'll just put on some music, and I might have to pop in every now and again. Okay, friends, that is it. We're all done. I think they turned out pretty cute. Just a simple design, but so pretty. I love the velvet cat eye. Matted out. Oh, it looks so gorgeous. And the Born Pretty, the blackest purple. So cute. So cute. Okay, friends, well, it's going to be the end of this video. Don't forget to hit the like button if you liked it, and subscribe to my channel. I would love that. And until the next video, bye, friends.